In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple dropdown in Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable dropdown you can plug into any design without building it from scratch. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser or opening the desktop app. Make sure you're signed in so you can save a copy to your drafts. The process is the same either way, and using the community makes this quick and reliable. Next, open the community section. This is where designers share ready-to-use files and components. It's a great place to find solid starting points that follow best practices like auto layout and component variants. In the community search bar, type simple dropdown. Keep the spelling as shown to get the most relevant results. You'll see a mix of files and components. If you like, you can filter to files to grab full examples or components to drop an element directly into a project. Skim the thumbnails and look for a dropdown that shows both collapsed and expanded states, as that usually means it's already set up to work with minimal effort. Select a template that matches your style and click to open its details. On the item page, preview the frames, read any notes from the creator, and check if it uses auto layout or variants. These features make customization and resizing much easier and will save you time later. Click Open in Figma. If prompted, sign in. Figma will duplicate the resource into your drafts automatically. Open the file, and you'll see the drop-down component or frames ready to use. If it's a full file, look for a page or frame labeled Components, UI, or Example. Now customize it to fit your design, update the label text, replace placeholder items with your own options, and adjust font styles to match your typography. Use the right-hand panel to tweak colors, borders, and corner radius. If the drop-down uses auto layout, edit spacing, padding, and alignment to get the exact look and feel you want without breaking the structure. Swap icons for your preferred chevrons or arrows, and make sure the icon remains properly aligned by checking constraints. If the template includes component variants for collapsed and expanded states, set your default variant and rename the properties so they're clear to your team. Keep layer names organized and consider turning the dropdown into a component if it isn't one already so you can reuse consistent instances across your file. As you adjust, use the preview to confirm the text wraps, spacing, and icon alignment behave correctly at different widths. That's it. You've created a simple dropdown in Figma using a community template and tailored it to your project.